Hey everybody, it's Ed, and the future is now, and the future is having a plan. Okay, I trade almost every day, unless I'm sitting on the sidelines or whatever, watching what the market's kind of doing and repositioning or whatever. But anyway, it's critical to have a plan whether you're investing short term, long term, or day trading. And I'm going to show you how I do specific plan for today and see how it all played out. Okay, now right now it's 7:09, and I actually just executed a trim of Tesla positions, of the trading positions that I trade around the core positions. So I trimmed about 240 shares, okay, to lock in 3,000, approximately 3,000 profit before the beginning of the day. Let's see, how much did it come out to? 988 plus, let's see, where are we at? 988 plus 28, I'm sorry, 1829 plus 1829 equals. So we locked in 2817, okay, right at 440. I'm sorry, yeah, 440, 441 pre-market. Now I did this for a couple reasons. One, because it gapped up. Normally if it gaps up, a lot of times it sells off, okay, or back tests. So, but the reason being is it's hitting a key resistance at 440, okay, but it's also essentially, if it does back off to 430, we have 430 on, it's hit that on the 30th, it hit it on the 29th, it hit it on the 28th, it also hit it on the 22nd, you can see it hit it on the 18th, and it also hit that on the 15th. Okay, you can see that's a key level, is at 430. Okay, and 450 is also a key point. So we're running the core positions long. So we have exposure either way, meaning if it goes up or down, it's not going to bother me either way. Because essentially if it goes up, then all the core positions make money. Yeah, we don't make money on those extra 240 shares, and that's fine. That's 2,400 approximately that we wouldn't make. But that's fine, but I'm being risk averse, so I'm taking down the risk a little bit. But if it does come down to 430 and backtest, now we can literally make that 3,000 twice, or 2,800 or whatever twice, instead of making it once. And if it comes back to 450, then we're really sitting perfect. So ideally, if it comes back to 430 and ramps to 450, once again, we're looking at today. So it actually shows the bar on my platform. And today we had the news on the Tesla lowering the Model 3 in China by 8%. So, oh my gosh, they lowered the price. I mean, isn't that bad? No, that's good. The lower the prices of the car, the more people can get in these cars, the more revenue that they're going to have. Yeah, maybe not the most profit they're going to have. Who cares? This is not about profit. This is about getting as many of these cars out there for Elon Musk and Tesla. Okay, but anyway, you can see these other arrows up here, and in case you didn't watch my last video, I basically was trying to predict the candles, okay? And you can see it looks like, okay, maybe I'm off, but I'm not that far off. Now, and I'll explain. You can see how we had the California Law 2035 ban of production of gas cars, or sales of gas cars, I should say. No, so it gapped above the 20. So essentially, I'm just a little bit off on the actual share price. So it basically gapped above it, sat on the 20, okay, and also sat on the 20 here. Okay, you can see that all over the place. Sat on the 20 here. It's on the 20 here. It loves, here's a kiss of the 20 right here. So it loves hanging around that 20-day moving average. Okay, that's super important to follow that 20-day. Okay, and here's the 50 down below. We're way above that for now. Not way above it, but we're pretty far above it. And anyway, so in the next day, once again, is pretty, I mean, if I just adjust it that way, I'm not super far off. I'm just off on, if I move all the arrows up, except for this one did not move down. It came up a little bit higher, and it jumped over, essentially, the downtrend. So we broke the downtrend in pre-market. That's big. So we broke it here. That's another reason it may come back and test that. It could come down even to 424. I wouldn't panic if it hit 424. I would probably be buying more right here, because that's a good sign. Essentially, it's back to, it's healthy. It's healthy for it to go up and down this way. Okay, it's not healthy if it just goes straight up. That's unhealthy. This is what it's been doing in the last week or so. That's super healthy for the stock. Okay, Walmart added vehicles to their order yesterday. Now they have like 130 orders from Tesla. That's pretty big for the semi-truck. Yeah, and then the California law passed. And then we do have the stimulus package they still have to push through, so that could be more fuel to the fire. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know what we were doing. So I locked in that, and we'll see what happens. Now, if you want to see what happens at the end of the day, basically I will copy a screenshot of the portfolio finish for the day to see if we locked in the 2,800 or made more or made less or whatever. I'll post that in the community side to the YouTube channel. Now what you want to do is just subscribe, hit the bell notification, so anytime we post that image or post the a video or whatever, you know, it'll pop up on your notifications, and then you can check it out really quick and see what happened. So I'm trying to give you guys, you know, tips about what I'm basically doing and how it plays out, so you can see real trades in action. Like, this is what we're doing today, and let's see how it plays out. Okay, I might add or, you know, subtract, you know, shares or whatever, and I'll definitely post that in the notes. But anyway, I wanted to keep that short. And you can see, let's see what else. There was one more thing I was going to talk about, and I can't remember. Oh yeah, so basically I'm going to be posting a video on the Model 3, basically top 10 pros and cons after basically having the car for about a week. So I'm going to post that video, and you be sure to watch that one as well. All right, take care.